Hey there, David. Welcome back to my place. We're gonna just keep on going here. I don't have a lot of time today, but I want to get this done. I want to keep going here. So we're gonna just jump right on into it. I've already got it loading up. That's why it just got dark for a second, because we're going through all of the intro and loading screens and stuff. Here's the photosensitivity warning. And as you remember last time that you saw, we are stuck trying to get the chainsaw from the dude chained up in the barn. And we have to know that we need the chainsaw before we can go get it from him. Alright, and I think we're like completely out of ammo for everything, aren't we? Yes, everything is out of ammo. Absolutely everything. So we're kind of in a really tight spot here.
Great. There's gotta be something that'll get through this. Maybe a chainsaw or something.
We're gonna go digging around a little bit and see if we can find maybe like a trap or something to disassemble, maybe a harpoon we can make. But I am pretty low on hope for that. I'm still not sure what it wants us to see out the window. But I know we want him dead. I think that was the one that, like, grabbed us before when we were trying to get the chainsaw daddy into that spike trap thing. Pretty good and well screwed ourselves out of all of our weapons. So the environment is just about all we've got left to try to get this guy. And he's got the chainsaw, which kills us quick. And he can climb up, we found that out too. Like the hard way. What was that noise for? Huh? I don't get it. Oh! Also finally figured out how to manage stamina, I think. So that you don't just straight up... Oh, but we can kick it into him! Is he burning? I hope he's burning. And run past! Oh! Oh, right through the gut. So I promise you, even if this is, and you're seeing this now, so obviously I made good on that promise. Even if this does turn out to just be 30 straight minutes of me dying again, you're gonna see it. Oh, that's right, we have to know that we need the chainsaw because we're stupid. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna use this medical kit and deal with the weird hallucination thing, because it means a better chance of survival against him. And we like a better chance of survival, even if apparently this syringe makes us drunk for a minute. That's it, shake off the hangover. And figure this out. So we found out before, we can't just, like, trick him into cutting it and dash through. He won't do that.
Maybe a chainsaw.
He'll cut through other enemies, but not through the chain. Okay, so that had nothing useful. I'm gonna try to take a look in here again, where we heard the doctor's disembodied voice, and hope for something we can use. That's right, there was this trap. I don't see the thing that we had to kill in here before, so I'm gonna assume it's safe, even though my heart feels like it's gonna be in my throat in a second. Oh, yeah, a glass bottle. We'll throw that at the giant. That'll work. Okay, nothing useful. We can hide under a bed. He'd probably just chop the bed in half. More bottles. So there's no shortage of glass bottles to throw. But there's a woeful lack in any weapon we can use. Yep, nothing. That's not the door. Okay. Here goes! Oh! Okay. Oh, don't get tired. Don't get tired, don't get tired. We want to burn this and trick him into it. And then go here and do it again. And then get tired and get hit by a chainsaw. Ow. Climb up. Go. 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 That's always the smartest place to be in this situation, is up. Because there's everywhere to go from there. Okay, wait till we see him. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah! Sweet! Oh, again. Oh boy. Wait, what was that ammo for? Oh, shotgun ammo! Load that up, boy! Oh, he's not dead. I thought that a headshot with a shotgun would have killed him. Oh, the torch! The torch, yes! Okay, so that's not gonna kill him. Probably. Yeah, no, he's not dead. But that slowed him down a minute, so we can do this. Okay, get over here.
Gotta take this guy down fast.
Yeah, I know, but how? How is the million-dollar question? Okay. I'm gonna try this. That's all we've got. Whoa! We pulled it too soon. Okay, so that looks like it might work though. If I'm just smart-ish. Where is he? Where'd he go? I don't see him. I hear him. Where is he? I'm gonna go looking for him! Oh. Where'd he go? Where did he go? I don't see him. Is he over here? Where'd he go? I don't like that. I don't see him. There he is. Okay, but maybe we can get this too this time. Not one of those hit him. Oh, crap. Oh, he can go through the window too. Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, he ran right through it and didn't have a scratch. That did nothing. The spikes are useless, Dave. I was betting everything on that. Oh, crap. Now what? Oh, that. Now that. Oh boy. I'm just a poor boy. I have no family. Please. Oh shit. There's more. Oh boy. No, no, no. Okay, come on. Come on. It's a dead end! But that we can use. Oh hey. Yeah! They're just everywhere! And we have nothing to use. Oh! Oh! Downed by a spike in the head. Just like Christmas. Okay. But at least now we know where a trap is that I can disassemble. And hopefully have something for this crossbow. Oh, I only have one now. That's great. And I hear something. I hear you! Okay, so we can kind of dodge if we time it right, or not. There. Okay, that'll give us a little less to deal with. Right then. Oh, is that a chest? There are chests in this? Oh, crap! Oh, come on. That's just not fair. Promise me a chest and then give me that. But that... Now that... I like. Ooh. And that. Yeah, drink that up. Brain juices. for all of those lovely mutations that you wish you could have. Okay. I'm gonna try this again. I'm gonna hit him with the,
Great. There's gotta be something that'll
the
get
explosive
through this.
bolt.
Maybe a
Hopefully
chainsaw or
hit him.
something.
And hopefully in the head. Can I make another one? No. Dang. I said dang. I'm losing my aggressiveness here, Dave. He's beating me into submission. Okay. Ready? Yes! I got him with it! It didn't kill him, but I got him with it. It just pissed him off. Ow! Ow! No! Crud. Oh, I mean, how could we not die even at half health? He just shoved a chainsaw through our spine. That's right, I can sneak stab that dude back here. Okay, you know what, Dave? If I die, you're still seeing this. If I win, we're skipping past. Now we go. Yes! In the face! In the chest. Okay. Got him in the chesticles. Oh shit, I ran in the wrong pen. Ah, boy. He downed him for us. Oh shit. Go this way. Pick up the torch. Hey, okay. Does that mean we killed him? Oh, we killed him! Give me that chainsaw. What's happening? Oh, that's gross. What are you? Ah! He just, like, glitched out of existence.
I better hold on to this.
He just, like... dude. He absorbed that guy's, like, essence. And then vanished. What are you gonna do with it? Oh, hey, wait, that was the guy that, like... Okay, we're burning you. I remember that guy, I think. That was the guy that was, like, teleporting and slashing people, right? He stabbed us at the beginning. Okay, cool. So we just keep the chainsaw in our pocket. That took me long enough. That took a while, David. That took a while.
Wait!
No, I'm not waiting for you. You just, like, hid and let me deal with all that.
You must take me with you.
Must I?
Detective Castellanos.
Leslie should be just ahead. It is imperative that we find him.
Wow. It's lucky that doctor came through when he did. Okay, that's the end of chapter 3. I'm gonna go ahead and end it there. That was a lot, David. And then he got sucked up by the teleporter dude. I think he's like King Crazy? Maybe? I don't know. But we're gonna have to find out. I doubt next time, honestly, because this is a very intense game that's just going through like stages, so I think it'll be a bit before we really figure out what's up with that guy. See you next time, Dave. Till then, I hope you have a good time. Like and subscribe on my channel, let me know you like me. Keep on following what we're doing here, let me know what you think, and I'll see you again. Keep giggling.